Welcome friends. Today I will explain how to convert a small voltage voltmeter into higher voltage voltmeter. Okay, so if you having low voltage voltmeter, then you can convert into high voltage voltmeter. Okay, how we'll convert? We'll design here. Okay, we'll start. So let us assume we have one voltmeter. This voltmeter is there, whose internal resistance is, coil resistance is small r, and the series resistance is r. Okay, and this voltmeter is capable to read 0 to 100 or 200. Let us assume, we are assuming as a 100 volt. Okay, so this voltmeter is capable to read 100 volt. Okay, so our this meter 0 to 100, maximum it can read 0 to 100 volt. This is the dial, so it will read 0 to 100 volt. If you apply 0 to 100 or maximum 100 volt here, if you apply 100 volt here, it will read 100 volt here. Okay, but I want to design it should read 1000 volt. Okay, if you want to design it can read 1000 volt. So how will design? If you connect 1000 volt, what will happen? This meter will go out of the limit and it will break and it will burn the coil also. So we cannot directly apply the 1000 volt. So to make the 1000 volt, we have to design. So we'll start the design how to make 1000 volt. So to making the 1000 volt, in this same meter you connect one higher resistance in the series, that is called RS you connect in the series and apply 1000 volt, and this meter will read 0 to, next dial will convert into 0 to 1000 volt. Okay, so we have to find out this RS value, how much we have to connect so that it can withstand the 0 to 1000 volt. Okay, so we'll calculate. Initially we are giving 0 to 100 volt. Maximum this voltmeter is rated for 100 volt. So in first case, when this is not there, this is 100 volt. When this is for 100 volt, this is not there. How much current flowing in the circuit you can calculate. So how much I will become? I is voltage divided by resistance. Okay, so how much your voltage is, that in starting is 100 volt, and the resistance of the circuit is, you can see this is a small resistance R, in coil resistance is small r, and one series resistance R. So total resistance at the time is R plus capital R. So this much current is flowing from this ammeter, is this voltmeter, and it will read 0 to 100 volt. Okay, this much current. So same current, when we are putting 1000 volt, same current we have to maintain, otherwise the coil will go burn. So same current we have to maintain. So what we'll do, we'll put one small resistance RSH, and with this much is the current, so that when the 1000 volt is there, we have to maintain the same current. So this same current in same circuit. So what will happen? So that time how much current is there? When the 1000 volt is there, the current is how much? I is equal to voltage is 1000 volt divided by total resistance of the circuit. So how much total resistance? Small r plus capital R plus R series. Okay, this much current will flow, and both the current in both the scenario must be same. So make the equation 1 and equation 2 equal. Okay, that time what will happen? you make. So 1000 divided by small r plus capital R plus R series is equal to, from here, 100 divided by small r plus capital R. So from here 1 10. So if you cross multiplication, 10 small r plus capital R is equal to, this will go that side, small r plus capital R plus RS. This is the same. Okay, then from here you can calculate the RS. So what is the RS? RS is equal to, from this 10 r plus r minus r plus r become 9 times r plus r. Correct? So this much resistance we have to put here so that my voltmeter will read 0 to 1000 volt. So what is the value of this RS? RS is equal to 9 times of, correct, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So 9 times of this both resistance, R plus capital R. If you put this much resistance here, you can make the voltmeter as a 0 to 1000 volt. And also you have to calculate the power rating of the resistance so that it can withstand. So how to calculate the power rating? You can see my previous video how I calculated in the ammeter. If you are making the ammeter into higher rating, how we calculate, the same way you can calculate. Okay, if you have a doubt, you can ask me in my comment section box. You comment, and you please like and subscribe my video. So I hope you will understand how to connect 0 to 1000 volt in previous meter. Means 0 to 100 volt meter will convert it into 0 to 1000 volt. Okay, thank you dosto. Subscribe my channel, please like and share.